Konnichiwa minasan, o genki desu ka? As Kat Sensei desu. Today, we're going to learn how to construct basic Japanese sentence. For the pattern, we have here X, wa, Y, this. Again, X, wa, Y, this. So X is Y. So it looks like we have a mathematical computation or mathematical formula here. But don't worry, we will not compute numbers here. And it's not that complicated. So X here is the topic. The hiragana ha, but it will be pronounced wa because it is used as particles in a sentence. It is the topic marker. Again, this is hiragana ha, but it will be pronounced as wa. Okay? Next, Y is about X or talks about the X, the topic. It can be noun or adjective. And the des here is the linking verb. It can be is, are, and etc. Okay, now let's have example sentence here. Watashi wa gakusei desu. Again, watashi wa gakusei desu. Watashi is a topic or the X here. And wa, the particle wa, is a topic marker. It marks the topic. Here, the topic is watashi or I. Gakusei is the Y. It talks about the topic. And the des is the linking verb. Now, let's translate the sentence. I am a student. I is the topic, watashi. Gakusei or student is the Y. It talks about the topic. And the am here is the linking verb. So as you can see, there's no corresponding translation for the particle wa because its function is only to mark the topic. So there's no translation for particle wa. Some Nihongo students uh, think that the particle wa means am or is or the linking verb, but it's wrong. The linking verb is that this. Okay? Again, take note. The linking verb is the des. It's not the particle wa. Other example sentence. 今日は月曜日です. Again, もう一度. 今日は月曜日です. 今日 is the topic, the X. Particle wa is the topic marker. 月曜日 is the Y. And the des is the linking verb. Now let's translate the sentence. Today is Monday. So 今日 means today is the topic. And getsuyobi means Monday. Talks about the topic here. And is the linking verb, the des. Okay? So again, the particle wa does not have corresponding translation. It just marks the topic. So kyo, topic is kyo, today. So today is Monday. Okay? Next example. 12時半です. Again, 12時半です. In English, 12:30. Remember, 12 means 12, then hang means half. So 12:30. Another sentence, gakusei desu. Again, gakusei desu. Gakusei means student. So as you can notice here, as you can see here, there we don't have subject. It's only the why, this. That's why I put the x, wa in a enclosed parenthesis, open and close parenthesis, because sentences without subjects are very common in Japan, or very common in Japanese. So if it's obvious the topic is, what is the topic? They drop the subject. So now let's proceed to question sentences. So how to construct sentences in Japanese. It's a very easy class because all you need to do is add ka, add hiragana ka at the end of the sentence. Example, because ka here means question mark in Japanese. Example, gakusei desu. Again, gakusei desu. I am a student. Now, let's add ka. Gakusei desu ka? Again, gakusei desu ka? Are you a student? Gakusei desu ka? Are you a student? It's very easy, right? So, gakusei desu, I am a student, then I just add ka. Are you a student? Question sentence may also contain a question word like nan. Remember nan? Nan or nani? So, nan here means what? So, example, nanji desu ka? Moichido. Nanji desu ka? So, nan means what? Ji. Remember the topic that we discussed about time? Ji means o'clock or time. So, nanji desu ka? So, ka, question. So, what time in English? Another, nansai desu ka? Again, nansai desu ka? So, nan again means what? Sai means years old or how old? Then ka is a question. So remember the Jiko Shokai that you've done. So you've mentioned your age, right? So example, Tsukyu sai desu. Tsukyu means 19, then sai is a years old. Okay. Next, nannen sei desu ka? Moichido, nannen sei desu ka? So nan here means what? Nensei. Nensei is what year in school. So it can be first year, ichinensei. Second year, ninensei. Third year, sanensei. Fourth year, yonensei. Okay? So, what year are you in school? Another example, senmon wa nan desu ka? Senmon wa nan desu ka? So, senmon means major, major in school. What major you're taking in college? And again, hiragana. The particle wa marks the topic. And none means what in the thinking verb and the question. So, what is your major? As you can see here, class, the major, the topic in a Japanese sentence always come at the first of the sentence, at the beginning of the sentence. While in English translation, it comes at the end. Okay? Example answer, ego desu. Let's repeat, moichido, ego desu. So as you can see, we dropped again the topic, the senmon, which is the major, because obviously what we're talking about here is the major. So ego desu, or English. My major is English. Another example. Ima nanji desu ka? Again, もう一度. Ima nanji desu ka? So, ima here means now. Nanji means what time, and the linking verb, and the ka, the question mark. Ima nanji desu ka? What time is it now? So again, the topic is now. In translation, it comes at the end of the sentence in English, while in Japanese sentence, it always comes in the beginning. Okay? Example answer, Ima rokoji desu. Ima rokoji desu. In English, it is 6 o'clock now. So again, we drop the topic. Then we just say rokoji desu. Rokoji desu. Okay? Another example, メリーさんは何歳ですか？メリーさんは何歳ですか？ Again, メリーさんは何歳ですか? So how old are you, Mary, in English? So Mary is the topic, the X here. Again, in Japanese sentence, the topic always comes at the beginning of the sentence, while in English, it's at the end of the sentence. Okay? So, Mary-san wa is the topic marker, the particle wa in nansai. How old are you? So, how old are you, Mary? So, now let's have example answer. Hatachi desu. Moichido. Hatachi desu. It means I'm 20 years old. Okay, that's all for today. どうもありがとうございます。